Today, we're going to make a green onion oil pearl and jade soup. Smoky and tasty. Main ingredients: green onions, oil, shrimp, eggs, all-purpose flour, tomatoes, spinach. Heat a small pot over medium heat. Add the oil and finely chop the green onions. Turn to low heat and let it slowly simmer into a fragrant green onion oil. Next, let's prepare the flour mixture. Crack in 2 eggs and break the yolks. Gently stir, then slowly add water while mixing until the mixture becomes thick and flows in slow, steady drip. In a separate pot, bring water to a boil. Add chopped tomatoes and shrimp. Then season with the salt. Once the tomatoes break down, pour in the flour mixture to a strainer spoon, gently stirring to let it drop in evenly. Add the spinach and stir gently for about a minute. Turn off the heat and ladle the soup into bowls. Now, heat the green onion oil on medium until brown and fragrant, then turn off the heat. Add the green onion oil to the pearl and jade soup as desired. Your soup is ready. Enjoy!